Pitch number 4, boys 15. Pitch number 4. Group B, Ibililoan, Team B versus Don Bosco, Team A. Ibililoan, Team B versus Don Bosco, Team A. Boys 15. Pitch number 4. Don Bosco and Ibililoan. Pitch number 4.
Dayan.
Don Bosco, boys 15.
Oh, pwede.
Ibililoan. Team B versus Don Bosco, Team A.
Kita.
Sige lang, Ken. Why you did?
Referee, pitch 4. Kita pitch 4. Referee, Don Bosco.
Alan.
Don Bosco, Team A.
Why you did?
Tantan, grab ka may tantan. Nawala. Ibo.
Bolan.
Atay, Bibi!
Films and areas. 4A Agro-Science College. Such strong research.
Tantan, nagay ko din ato bikas utang pula. Yan ba?
Our Angel Sports Team and Steadfast Manpower Services Incorporated. Thank you to all our sponsors for your
Basta.
Ika dong! Skarte! Orek! Wala po yung unto lang yung ipatiran. Ay, Uton! Shoot!
Jilan.
Gawas!
Go, likod! Bibi!
Pakusog!
Nice one!
Rafi!
Down.
Awa midfield, i-combine!
Hey, Leo.
Next game, pitch number 4, Group D. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Canlungan FC. Pitch number 4, boys 15, Group D. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes Team A versus Canlungan FC.
Pas, tayo king. Ya! Shoot dong!
Wow! Kapuha!
Nice one! Come on!
Control, Nicola. Dito.
Nice one! Apa! Nice one! Come on, Raf! Dali, Raf!
Okay, kamu tangkap.
Kamu, Brunner. Ay, kaya. Tantang, kaya lang. Go. Ay, hinay lang. Go.
Receiver. Hey, Arun.
Shoot.
Next game, pitch number 5. Boys 15, Group A. Cebu United Team A versus the Moscow Team C. Cebu United Team A versus the Moscow Team C. Pitch number 5. Boys 15, Group A. First game.
Yes, fine. Okay, Raf. Huwag kontra Nicola. Ayaw na dagan. Nanaway mo ito ka.
Chris. Usok.
Go, dito. Tantang.
Very good. Control.
That's yours! Nice. Dan! Nice one.
Next game, pitch number 2. Next game, pitch number 2. 8B, Boys 15. Marigondon Keepers versus Naporaco City Heroes Team B. Pitch number 2. Group B. Boys 15. Marigondon Keepers versus Naporaco City Heroes Team B. Marigondon Keepers versus Naporaco City Heroes Team B. For pitch number 3, next game, Group C. Boys 15, second half score Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus Bibililoan Team A. Second half score Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus Bibililoan Team A. Pitch number 3, Group C. Boys 15, first game.
Ay, dalawa.
Pitch number 4, next game. Group D, Boys 15. Naporaco City Heroes Team A versus Canlupa FC.
Arun. Doon sa tabangin sa kauban mo.
Control dong. Lungsat dong.
Ay, Jilan. Asa ka, Jilan? Bang.
Kenz.
Jidin, Alan. Awa.
Lungsat, Raf. Okay, go.
Yan mo, Jilan. Ay, tara, Jilan. Lil, ka na.
Next game, pitch number 5, Boys 15, Group A. Cebu United Team A versus the Moscow Team C. Cebu United Team A versus the Moscow Team C.
Jilan.
Next game, Boys 15, Group B. Marigondon Keepers versus Naporaco City Heroes Team B. Marigondon Keepers versus Naporaco City Heroes Team B. Pitch number 3, Group C. Second half score, Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus Bibililoan Team A. Pitch number 3, Boys 15, Group C. Second half score, Ateneo de Cebu Team B versus Bibililoan Team A. Pitch number 4, next game, Naporaco City Heroes Team A versus Canlupa FC. Naporaco City Heroes Team A versus Canlupa FC.
Oh, Jilan. Pinsa.
Cebu United Team A, pitch number 5. Cebu United Team A.
Boys.
Let's go down.
Very good. Raf.
go, go, go! Ayaw! Go, 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 turun, turun, turun.
Nice one. Nice return. Okay. Ay, kadugay mo.
Very good, dala, di ko.
Chris, tara mo, Chris!
Header!
Limbolan.
Medics, page number 1, medics. Page number 1, medics. Medics. Okay, pitch number 2, referee, pitch 2, Boys 15, Group B. Marigondon Kickers versus Apolaco City Heroes Team B. Marigondon Kickers versus Apolaco City Heroes Team B. Pitch number 2.
Go, go, Arun!
Bola, drop, tangkan, drop.
Ayaw!
Referee, give me pitch 2.
Ay, naya na, oy!
Side up.
Nico!
Nice one.